So to explain you the data scientist, data analyst and data engineer, let's start with my own company, 𝒓𝒑𝒊𝒕 Travels. So started with my own company, which is 𝒓𝒑𝒊𝒕 Travels, a new startup. Okay, so now in 𝒓𝒑𝒊𝒕 Travels we have some hotels. Consider we have 7 hotels on 𝒓𝒑𝒊𝒕 Travels. Okay, and for all the hotels we have some fixed prices. Okay, for some hotels we have some fixed prices. Now after launching this company and having fixed prices on each hotels, we are facing a major losses because all the other companies which are competitor of my 𝒓𝒑𝒊𝒕 Travels, they are having the dynamic pricing system. Okay, so we come up with the approach to introduce the dynamic pricing in that hotel. So if you are not aware about the dynamic pricing, so consider we have 750 rupees for some hotel on 15th of Jan. Okay, so now depending upon the demand, depending upon the situation, the prices might go down, the prices might go up. So that is called the dynamic pricing. We have dynamic pricing on flights, hotels. So all the companies are using the dynamic pricing system now. Okay, so after bearing so many losses for more than 2 months, what we thought to introduce the dynamic pricing in our system. Okay, so now after hiring the data scientists, now we want to build some machine learning model which will predict the prices for each and every hotel so that we can increase the profit also. Okay, so what our expectations after this feature? Profit should go up. Okay, and the customer should also get satisfied. Okay, so what we are planning to do this, like whenever there is a huge demand, we will increase the price like this. Okay, so whenever there is a huge demand, we will increase the price, and whenever there is a less demand, we are expecting the less demand, we will reduce the price. Okay, so the average price we give to the hotel, that will be also good, and the average profit we will get, that will be also more than what we were getting earlier. Okay, so now data scientist demands that we need data. Okay, so data scientist build already all the basically whatever the model they want to build, but they need data, a good amount of data in some specific format. Now data scientist ordered, just keep in mind the word ordered. Why I was saying ordered? Okay, so data scientist ordered data engineer to basically give them the data in some specific format. So what data engineer did, they created some data table for data scientists that they will be using with their model. Okay, now all the data in this table will be inserted from some big data in the warehouse. Okay, depending upon the requirement of data scientists, they will be creating a table according to that. Okay, so they will be creating some pipeline. Okay, just remember the word pipeline, to sync the data which is present in the warehouse to the table which will be used by the data scientist. Okay, so what is the task of data engineer here? To build the pipelines which will sync the big data to other teams to use for some specific feature. Okay, so this is the task of data engineer. Now what data scientists will do, they will basically build a machine learning model, they will build some model, and by which they will predict the price of that day or whatever prediction they want. Okay, so that is the role of data scientist. So data scientist will be dealing with machine learning and all those things, and data engineer will be dealing with some tech which will be used for building these pipelines like Hadoop. Okay, now after launching that feature, I've been replaced by the position of the CEO. New CEO comes in and they wants to just analyze whether we are in the profit after the launch of this feature or we are in the loss. Okay, so they instructed data analyst to basically analyze the feature and whether we are in profit after this dynamic pricing or we are in loss. Okay, so what data analyst will do, they just need a table, they just need some data to do some analysis on the top of that and predict some graphs to tell whether we are in profit after this feature or not. So now who will give this data? Data engineers. Data engineers will again build a pipeline depending upon the requirements of the data analyst. Okay, then they will again build a pipeline, they will again build a table depending upon the requirement of the data analyst, so that data analyst can use the data and predict something, whatever is the requirement here. Okay, now here data analyst will request data engineer to build a pipeline, and here I told you they ordered, and here I told you they requested. Why I told you this is because of the level. So I told you in the video, in the starting of the video, that I will be telling you about the salary compensation part. So here you can directly judge who is at the top in the hierarchy and who is in the middle and who is at the below and bottom in the hierarchy. So basically by this way, data analysts analyze the results, and yes, our company is in profit, we can say hooray. Now let's analyze the basically salary compensation part also. So for the data analyst, they are at the bottom of these three. Okay, so data analyst compensation is 6 LPA on an average in India, and for the data engineer, that comes in the middle. For them it's 10 LPA, and for data scientist, if we see, so it's around 12 LPA average in India. Okay, so this depends, this vary on the company also, depending upon the year of experience also, but I am considering you started your career, so that is the average that you will be getting. Now in data scientist, you should knowing the tech, machine learning and all those things. In data engineer, you should be knowing the pipelines, the tech required for the pipeline like Hadoop and all those. For the data analyst, you should be needing the SQL, the good SQL skills, and some tools which is used for analysis part, that is analytical tools. Okay, so yeah, so I hope all your doubts are covered now, and if you have any more doubts, you can just ping in the comment section also and tell me how much you like the video, whether you still have any doubts or not. Okay, and thank you for watching this video and saving my company, that is 𝒓𝒑𝒊𝒕 Travels. Okay, and soon we will be launching an IPO also and creating some video for that. This is first fun only. Okay, there is no company, no real company exists like this. I think don't my real company doesn't exist, but yeah, might be some company with the 𝒓𝒑𝒊𝒕 Travels might be existing now. Okay, so tell me how much you like the video. You can read the video in my Telegram channel. Okay, and if you still have any doubt, just ping me in my LinkedIn or wherever you want. And if you're new to the channel, then you are missing very important opportunity, that is from the Indian school. So Indian school is offering very good opportunity, that is full study development program. So this is the flexible duration program that you can complete in 3 months, 6 months or in a year, and there is a flexible EMI options also. So just go and check out about this opportunity, link will be there in the description, and let's meet in the next video and tell me more topics on which you want me to create the video. Till then, bye bye.